Phased Array Antenna Engineering Course. This is 3 days course presented by Tonex Training. Phased Array Antenna course covers the range of phased array antenna engineering topics. Attendants will learn the theory and practice of phased array antenna engineering, including phased array antenna types, applications, features, and properties. Why phased array antenna training? Phased array antenna engineering course will help you learn the principles of phased array antenna, electromagnetic radiators, general properties. Learn phase array antenna analysis, gain, frequency, beam width, input impedance, connector, array element, rectangular patch antenna, dipole antenna, log periodic, dipole array, and many other things. Course designed for RF engineers, RF project managers, operation and technicians, project planners, program managers, and other professionals interested in phase array antenna technologies. Learn about antenna basics and common terminology. Learn the fundamental concepts, application and operation principles. Key technical aspects of phased array antennas. List array categories including planar, wideband, broadband, communication, defense, SATCOM. Work with design principles applied to pattern synthesis and more. Course agenda. Introduction to phased array antennas. Phased array antenna systems and applications. Hands-on labs. Request more information. Visit tonex.com for phased array antenna course and workshop detail.